Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a transition in OBS. So first you go to your OBS and then you go to the section Scene Transitions, and here you click on the plus button, and here you choose the option and the transition that you want to make. For example, stringer, this one, you just name it here, for example, transition, and then you just click OK. Here you can browse and put the transition that you want, either video or a picture, as you want. You just click browse and you choose, and here the transition point type, you can change it from time to frame, for example frame, and for example here the transition point frame, you just put for example 40, and then that's it. You can, after you upload the video or the image, you can have a preview for the transition, and if it is done and correct, you just click OK, and that's it. The transition will be added. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.